The world of learning is changing right before our eyes. Gone are the days of rigid classrooms and limited access to knowledge. Today, e-learning is booming, opening up a world of opportunities for passionate individuals like you to share your expertise with a global audience. Think about it. No more commuting, no more geographical limitations, just pure knowledge sharing at its finest. This transition to online learning is driven by our ever-increasing desire for flexibility and convenience. People are busier than ever, juggling work, family, and personal commitments. E-learning provides a solution, allowing individuals to learn at their own pace, on their own time, and from the comfort of their own homes. This shift towards self-paced learning has created a massive demand for high-quality online courses taught by experts who are passionate about sharing their knowledge. Now you might be asking yourself, is there really space for me in this crowded online world? The answer is a resounding yes. The beauty of the e-learning market lies in its diversity. Whether you're a seasoned professional with years of experience or a passionate hobbyist with a unique skill set, there's an audience eager to learn from you. The key is to identify your niche, package your knowledge effectively, and leverage the power of digital marketing to reach your ideal students. This guide will equip you with the tools and strategies you need to not only create a successful online course, but also to market it effectively and build a thriving online business. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of course creation, explore proven marketing techniques, and empower you to confidently step into the world of e-learning. Get ready to unleash your inner educator and embark on this exciting journey. Before diving headfirst into course creation, it's crucial to lay a strong foundation with a winning course idea. This is where your passion and expertise intersect with market demand. Start by reflecting on your skills, knowledge, and experiences. What are you truly passionate about teaching? What unique insights can you offer that others might find valuable? Once you have a clear understanding of your strengths, it's time to research your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your course? What are their pain points, challenges, and aspirations? Conduct thorough market research to identify existing courses in your niche and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. This will help you carve out your unique selling proposition and create a course that truly stands out from the crowd. Remember, your course idea should be specific and focused, addressing a particular need or problem within your chosen niche. Instead of creating a generic course on digital marketing, consider narrowing it down to Instagram marketing for entrepreneurs or SEO strategies for bloggers. This laser focus will not only attract a more targeted audience, but also make your marketing efforts more effective. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore unconventional course ideas. The e-learning landscape is constantly evolving, and there's always room for fresh perspectives and innovative approaches. By combining your passion with a deep understanding of your target audience, you can craft a winning course idea that sets you up for success in the exciting world of online education. With your winning course idea in hand, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start crafting engaging course content. This is where you transform your knowledge and expertise into easily digestible modules that captivate your students and keep them coming back for more. Start by outlining your course structure, breaking down your content into logical modules and lessons. Each lesson should have a clear objective and focus on delivering value to your students. Incorporate a variety of teaching methods to cater to different learning styles. Consider using video lectures, slide presentations, downloadable worksheets, interactive quizzes, and even live Q&A sessions to create a dynamic and engaging learning experience. Remember, variety is key. High-quality visuals and audio are crucial for keeping your students engaged. Invest in a good microphone and consider using screen recording software to create professional-looking video lessons. If you're not comfortable being on camera, you can always use voiceovers with accompanying slides or animations. The key is to present your content in a clear, concise, and visually appealing manner. Don't forget to incorporate opportunities for interaction and community building within your course. Encourage student discussions through forums or social media groups. Provide personalized feedback on assignments and offer support through email or live Q&A sessions. By fostering a sense of community, you create a more enriching and rewarding learning experience for your students, leading to higher engagement and positive reviews. Creating a fantastic online course is only half the battle. You need to market it effectively to reach your target audience and generate enrollments. Fortunately, there are numerous marketing strategies you can employ to promote your course and attract eager students. Start by building an email list of potential students interested in your course topic. Offer a valuable lead magnet, such as a free checklist, ebook, or webinar, in exchange for their email addresses. Use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to engage with your target audience. Share valuable content related to your course and drive traffic to your course landing page. Don't underestimate the power of video marketing. Collaborate with influencers and partners in your niche to reach a wider audience. Reach out to bloggers, podcasters, and other course creators who serve a similar target market and explore opportunities for cross-promotion. Consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google AdWords to target your ideal students directly. Remember to track your marketing efforts to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, email open rates, social media engagement, and conversion rates. By analyzing your data, you can continuously refine your marketing strategies and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact.